Hello everybody, we are in Churchville, Nova Scotia, and we're having a snowstorm. So, I'm going into Nebraska. I got the car, the Jeep is in 4-wheel drive. And she's on automatic heat. Okay, we'll check the put on country music here. And prime country, we'll go on that. There we go. We don't have prime country, we get nothing, must be the weather. Well, that's weird. Well, Sirius satellite is down. Maybe it's because I'm in here in the yard. Okay, we're going out. There we go. I noticed the cars are just flying up and down the road here, you know. And I'm in a Jeep 4-wheel drive. There's the snowplow. There he goes. Now if I can get back on the road here, there we go. That's the first cut of the night. And we had deer today, and the robin was eating apples, and we're supposed to get 10 centimeters, which is about probably 5 inches, a little over 5 inches, but you don't listen to the weatherman around here, because they'll say, oh, we're going to get 10 centimeters, and next year we end up with 50. So, I can slow the wipers down now. I had to clean the car off before I come out here. So this is the river road, and I'm only 4 kilometers, about 2 miles from the main intersection. So when I used to work in Stellarton, it used to be used to take me about 10-12 minutes to get to work. I'm gonna slow her down again. Right now I'm doing 65 kilometers, and I can switch that to miles per hour, and 38 miles per hour is what I'm going. And the speed limit's 50 here, or 80 kilometers. But you can't do the full speed limit because the roads are too slippery. I got to stop at the bank in Stellarton, that's where I'm going. And while I'm out, I might as well pick up some stuff for supper for me and Connor. I should switch that up to defrost. There we go. Get some of the ice off the wipers. So when I set my 4-wheel drive, you have a choice of snow, sand, or mud. I got it set on snow. seats are heated and my steering wheel is heated. So the deer won't be out anymore tonight. They're, like I said in the video earlier, they're gonna hunker down in the woods instead of the snow. I noticed they were shaking the snow off their fur. You notice that the snow wasn't melting on the fur, which means they were well insulated. Oh, there's a deer there. We'll slow down. He's crossing the road there. How are you, Mr. Deer? There he goes, going in the woods. Young doe. She was up in the field looking for grass. I noticed they were digging up there yesterday. They were digging through the snow, getting the grass. Now my fellows get to eat cracked corn and have fresh apples, but I only got 6 of them. There's a lot of deer on my road. Alright, I'm gonna slow down here. Now the tires I have on here are top of the line. They're called Michelin X Ice, and it's the most expensive winter tires you can buy. And I had a hard time getting them. I had to order one in 2 from New Brunswick and 2 came from Halifax. That's why I don't like cars with one headlight. Too lazy to go and get darn things fixed. I used to pull them over when I was a police officer. I wouldn't charge them, but I'd give them a 3-day demand so that they have to go get it fixed, and they have to bring it into the office and show that it was repaired. Because I met one the other day, and it's just like you met a motorcycle. You don't realize there's a car on another car on that side, and you don't see it. So we're going to go across. We're in Plymouth right now. We're going to go across the Plymouth Bridge. When I was a kid, well, it's a different bridge that we have now, but when I was a kid, we used to hang upside down underneath off the girders. And what's he gonna do? He's gonna let me go through? Yeah, alright. These guys are gonna let me cross. This is an Old Bailey part here now. The river still froze over. The house on the left is my nephew. Well, he must be working tonight in Turl. He's gonna have a nice drive home. He works for the liquor store. He got on full time in Turl. Here, buddy, go ahead. In no hurry. We have trains here. We're going across the river. I'm crossing now. There we go. Girl getting the car cleaned off. Now I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's I'm going to go by a house here on the right. It's more like a green color, and this is the house I was brought up in, and it's abandoned. Nobody's in it now. So we get this house here on the right, and this big one on this one right here, 321 South 4th. That's where I was brought up, and it was a beautiful home with a white picket fence, and now it looks like a slum. It was never cared for, not since my grandparents died. They owned it, and I was raised up in there. So we're coming up to the bank here now. They're going through the lights here, and then from there I'm going to take off into some groceries. So this is the Scotia Bank. here we are. Okay, that didn't take long. So that was from Churchville to Stellar. So thank you for watching.